Boston Energy Limited is a service provider to the wind energy sector, and we operate in three key areas. The first one being technical manpower, which we provide on a temporary basis to wind turbine manufacturers and also to the operators and owners of wind farms. The second area is we provide technical services, which is sort of fixed price contracts, where we deliver specific targeted maintenance and other services to the sector. And thirdly, we provide training, technical training in the sector, specifically focused on GWO safety training. The UK is the biggest offshore wind market in the world at the moment, but we also have operations in Germany and the Netherlands in Europe, and we were expanded further overseas into the United States in 2019, where we started a business in the state of Rhode Island, and that was specifically set up to support the emerging offshore wind energy sector in the USA.
Boston Energy are proud to work with some of the industry's leading OEMs, with a number of our customers actually making up 42% of the global market share. These are customers such as SGRE, Vestas, GE, Nordex and Enercon.
We've really concentrated on trying to deliver high quality services that are reliable whilst upholding the highest standards of integrity, safety and fairness in our operation with our customers.
Communication is the key thing when it comes to customers, so generally regular contact with your customers, understanding their needs, their challenges, helping them to cross the bridge from where they are to where they need to be. We take quite a long time to understand the technicality of the project, as well as what phases our technicians are going to be involved with. We also look at understanding the specific requirements. There's going to be various positions available for different opportunities.
We've invested over £2 million in training our technician base to make sure, first of all, that they can operate safely, as well as then obviously meeting the needs of our customers. We actually deliver as much of the training as possible through our purpose-built training centre here at head office. Not only does this give us the confidence in the standard of training that is delivered, it also allows us to spend time with our technicians who otherwise are operating on difficult rotational shifts. So understanding from them when they visit us at head office what challenges they have whilst at work and areas that we can support them in is really important time invested in these technicians.
It's one of the pieces that we're currently working on, looking at individuals that are potentially looking to enter the industry. There is a limited amount of ladies currently in the industry, and I'm quite passionate about looking at ways to maybe help them to cross the bridge, and that is definitely a bridge that we're hopefully going to be developing within the business as well.